Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a surface using a point file in Civil 3D. To create a surface in Civil 3D, we can click on the tool space. In the Prospector tab, we have the surfaces options. Now right-click on the surfaces options and click on Create Surface. When we click on Create Surfaces, it opens up a window where we can add some description to our surface. For example, the type of surface I want to create is a tin surface. We can change the layer in which we want to add our surface by clicking on this icon. We can select the layer we want, or we can just click OK and keep the existing layer. Now, the name I want to give for my surface is New Surface. So whatever name we want to select, we can type the name under the information name option. Then we can assign different styles to our surface. For example, if I click on this button and drop down, we have different styles. For example, contour 1 feet and 5 feet. Elevation banding, points and border. So if I click here on points and border, when I create my surface, it is going to display points and border. So for example, for this case, I'm going to use contours and triangles because when I create this surface, I want to display contours and triangles for my surface. I click OK. And now I click OK again. Once we click OK, we will notice that inside the Surfaces tab, Civil 3D has added our new surface. But we have not assigned any information or any points to this surface. Now we will click on this plus icon and go to Definition by again clicking on this plus icon. Now there are different methods to create a surface. Today what I'm going to use is point file. I right click on the point file and click on add button. When I click on add button, it opens up a window to add point file. We can click here on the plus icon and select a point file from our computer. For example, I want to select this EG surface, which is in the format PENZD. I click and open this point file. Now we have to match the point format for importing our points onto our Civil 3D drawing. So I click on PENZD here as well. Now I click OK. Once we have clicked OK, it will create our surface. To view our surface, we can type Z for zoom and E for extends, and it will show us our surface. Now, if you notice, the surface is being displayed in the triangular and contours pattern, which I selected for my style. Now, for example, I want to restrict my surface to a new boundary. That means I don't want this part of my surface. We can create a polyline to restrict the area or to create a new area onto our surface. For example, I already have a new boundary. So this polyline, I want to restrict my surface to this certain boundary. We can click on the definition, right-click on the boundaries and add a new boundary. We can give a name, click OK, and select the polyline we want.